Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the group so email distribution works. Go to Groups. Google, com, and sign in. Once there, click Create Group and enter a clear name, the group email alias, and a short description so members understand purpose. Make choices for group type and basic access now because these affect who can post and join. After you save, Google provisions the address immediately, so you'll be able to send test messages and confirm delivery right away. Next, add your members and set roles so communication stays organized. You can add emails directly or send an invite link. Assign roles like member or manager to control who can moderate. Once done, go to Settings and configure posting permissions. Decide whether anyone can post or only members, and whether replies go to the whole group or authors. Make sure email delivery is enabled, and set moderation rules if you expect high volume or sensitive content, because this prevents spam and errors. Finish by testing and maintaining the group so emails actually reach members. Send a test message from inside and outside the domain and confirm receipts. If messages vanish, check the moderation queue and member roles first, because posts often wait for approval. Also verify group permissions and each recipient's spam filters or forwarding rules. If problems persist, make sure the group's posting permission matches your intent and temporarily open posting to troubleshoot delivery. Then tighten settings once resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.